think it was on the last birthday. I've seen a tiger in my life for the first time while I was wearing a cheetah printed shirt. So the confused tiger gave me a death stare. That was favorite and craziest moment. Any new thing that excites me, where I can learn something new. I like new challenges and new technology. I started as an intern and slowly progressed to be a manager. The magic is in the journey, and I cannot name any specific moment. But yeah, for me, it's the journey that matters.